So today we're in Luton again. Just had confirmation with the usual chat with air traffic control. Check that we're happy for us to fly here, which they are. So it's back looking at Power Court where we're allowed up to 50 metres. You can see planes flying overhead, but very far away. We don't need to go anywhere near 50 really to see what's going on here. There seems to have been quite a lot of activity lately, so I'm going to have a look around. They are working on a Saturday today. So nice and high. See the digger in the distance is working. Now the interesting thing is Bedfordshire Police have put on their Facebook, if you see any drone operators in Luton, to call the police. So I'm hoping we're going to not have any issues today, but that really doesn't help people who are flying with permission. Yeah, you can see there a lot has happened since the last time I was here, the end of June. They have now got permission to move the substation, which is, I guess, what these enabling works are for. The car park's still in operation today. Still very full. Also got bigger area on the permission today as well, so we can go right over the station and see the improvements that have been made there. Yeah, this land all looking cleared. Pretty sure I remember there being buildings there at one point, but that's all long gone. The main section of work seems to be occurring in this corner where I think this is where the substation is going to be built. Yeah, you see there. At least 2 crews on site today. There's much in this corner, but we'll get over and have a look. So the max height here is 50, currently at 30. Yeah, that's just the site offices and storage. You can hear the equipment working, breaking up. One digging. As we come round slowly. Now this is where I think there's been quite a lot of work, so we're going to head over to this. It's on my left towards Luton Station. Now, as I've been coming in on the train this week, there seems to have been an awful lot of work going on. Just slowly pan round. Blown over. There's that wine and dine sticker again, sign again. Zoom out. Just get a quick overview of where we've just been. There's that wine and dine. Pan to the right. See where the main focus of the work is today. Yeah, the site is quickly changing as they now have planning permission. As we pan to the back to the left, bus going down the Luton busway. going to do is we're going to head across here. Because they've been focusing their works during the week on this part. See, there's new hoardings, but weirdly it looks like there's not much to be seen from the train. It looks like they've been doing quite a lot. I wonder if it's further down. So yeah, from the train, they seem to be focusing on this section, and there seems to be diggers quite often working away during the week. So I wonder whether they're tidying this section up for access. This metal fence does seem to have changed around the outside. What I'm going to do here, swing the drone back. Go right back towards the fencing. Most days it's been obvious that there's been two diggers working, so this hole actually probably is a lot deeper than it looks on the screen. Yeah, so yeah, just a quick additional part to the video here. We thought I'd quickly show what the current Luton Station looks like. So we actually extended the zone I could fly in today to come over here. So you've got this car park on Millet on the right, famous for managing to get the road shut in high winds. There's the part of the roof or the sides come off. But yeah, this is Luton Station here, which has been desperate for redevelopment for many years and remains really desperately needing it. It's not fit for purpose in the modern day. They don't have lifts to all the platforms. It's not accessible. But it did get a new roof for just in time for one big weekend, weirdly. But yeah, you can see the station there. So just thought I'd add that in, just so you can see how Luton fans and last year Premier League fans were welcome to the city. Well, the town, sorry. And that's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.